Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to program BMW X3 garage door opener full guide. Start by parking close to the garage door and switch ignition to accessory mode. Press and hold the vehicle's home link button while simultaneously pressing your garage remote until the indicator light flashes. Release and press the vehicle button again to lock code, then test the opener by pressing the home link button to confirm the garage door responds reliably. Begin with the vehicle in accessory and the garage remote at hand for a steady signal. Hold the selected home link button in the car and press the remote until the indicator light changes its pattern. Some models require a final vehicle button press to save the code, so try pressing home link once to confirm the door moves. If it opens, your programming is complete and ready for daily use with simple testing. If you're finding this helpful, hit subscribe and like so you don't miss useful car tips and quick fixes. Quick recommendation: consider the Robot Face Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for hands-free cleaning and voice control, which pairs nicely with freeing up time after garage projects. Check the description for the link and other deals to save, then get ready to continue the tutorial. Now let's get back to the video. If you run into trouble, stay calm and methodical. Many issues have quick fixes. Start by swapping remote batteries and moving the car closer to the garage motor to improve signal strength. Remove metal obstacles and try a different home link button if one seems unresponsive. For rolling code openers, follow the synchronization steps between the garage motor and your vehicle to ensure both units share the same code before testing again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.